Welcome back, everybody. Well, I picked up this 9.5 at a good price, and the seller told me that it ran great, it just wouldn't go in gear. So I got it back over here, and sure enough, it's not wanting to go in gear. You put it in gear and spin the prop, and it still spins. You move this around, it catches and gives. It's something going on. Now, normally, that's the shift rod connector not installed. That's what I thought it would be. That's why I paid what I paid for it. I've already dropped this and looked at the shift rod connector. It's not that. It's not the connector. It's something down in the belly of the beast. And it looks like somebody's been inside. It's been painted, but then the paint's knocked off of these bolts. I'm afraid somebody's been inside this gear case and done something to it. Hopefully it's not a big problem. Hopefully it's just maybe not installed back together properly. I hope. Let's drain the oil, drop it off, and take it inside my shop and see what we can find. We're going to be on it. All right, we got her off. Let's take her inside the shop and see what we find. You never know what you find when people drop a motor off. Well, we've got the oil drained out of it, and I got it mounted on my bench here with my test set up. As you can see, I've got two vice grips, one on the prop, one on the drive shaft, so I can spin the drive shaft and watch the prop, whether it's spinning in the right direction or not spinning at all. That's how I test. And I've got put a connector, shift rod connector on here so I can shift it forward, neutral, reverse. Let's start with it in neutral, which is right here, and spin, always spinning the drive shaft clockwise. And I can tell you right now, it is very hard to spin. Matter of fact, it doesn't even spin. And I'm still in neutral down here, which is right. If I shift it down to reverse, I'm still in neutral. It's not stopping at all. So if I come up to forward, I'm still in neutral. Doesn't catch at all. I don't know what's going on. The shift rod moves the cradle that moves the clutch dog back and forth on the shaft to engage the forward gear and reverse gear. It's obvious to me that that shift rod or the cradle is the problem. It's not engaging the gears. So let's flip it over and pop the gear case off and see what we find inside. This is going to be interesting for me. I've never seen this problem before. Okay, so we got everything loose, including the pivot pin. Just give it a little love tap. All right, the gear case popped in half. Now time for the big reveal. Let's see what's going on with that. There's the shift rod, and there's the cradle. Let's pull the cradle up and see what's going on. Well, I can't pull it up. Let me pry it up. Okay, now let's see if I can pull the cradle up. Oh, I see the problem. I see the problem. See that cradle? It's spun off to the side right here. It wasn't installed properly. The cradle, the cradle was over this cradle needs to be spun this way. So somebody took this gear case apart and when they put it back together, they put the cradle in, it slipped down, and then they put the saddle over the top of it like that. That was the problem. Oh my God. So I'm just going to shift her over here where it goes, put the cradle in, the saddle goes right on here, this side, and on this side. Now that's where it needs to be. I'm going to push it down into neutral. Okay, now it's in neutral. See how it's in the right spot here? A simple fix. Simple fix. How about that? Let's put it all back together and then do our testing. So here's neutral. We're going to spin the drive shaft clockwise. I put a cotter pin in here so we could see it, and it's not moving, which is right. If we go up one notch to forward, and you see the prop shaft spinning clockwise, perfect. We drop it back down to neutral. Neutral, no spin. We'll go to reverse. Spins counterclockwise. That's how it's supposed to work. So, simple fix. Shift cradle wasn't installed properly with the saddle. Let's take her outside, put her on the outboard, make sure the shift linkage works. Shifting the lever, and the prop does the same thing. Moving it outside. Got the repaired gear case here, ready to stab her back in. Now remember, you gotta line up the water tube, the shift rod with the connector, and you gotta get this lined up with the splines and the power head. I've done it a million times. Watch how fast I can do it. Done. So there she is. I'll shift her up in neutral. Spins free. Shift her forward. Gets hung up. Let me pull the rope. Watch it spin. See the prop turn clockwise? Neutral. Spins, reverse, it ought to go counterclockwise. And it does. So there you have it. If you have shift problems with your 9.5s, don't panic. Don't panic. There's a lot involved. You got the shift rod connector, you got the shift rod, you even got an adjustment up in the motor. It could be the shift cradle. It could be somebody put it back wrong. Who did that? If y'all enjoyed the video, hit subscribe. Don't forget the like button and check out my website. I got all kind of links on there for anything you need.